Itik Itik, the graceful dance of the duck from Surigao del Norte. From the coastal province of Surigao del Norte comes one of the most playful and beloved folk dances in the Philippines, the Itik Itik. Inspired by the movements of a duck, this lively dance captures the joy and humor of rural life while showcasing the Filipinos' natural grace, creativity, and love for dance. The word itik means duck in Tagalog, and true to its name, the Itik Itik mimics the movements of this familiar farm animal. The dancers imitate how ducks walk, waddle, and splash water with their wings. Each step is full of charm and wit, turning simple gestures into a graceful performance filled with life and laughter. According to local stories, the Itik Itik originated from a young dancer named Kanang from Cantilan, Surigao del Norte. During a baptismal celebration, Kanang was performing a traditional dance called sibay when she suddenly began improvising movements that resembled a duck splashing in water. The audience loved her creativity so much that the dance became an instant favorite and was later named Itik Itik. The dance is usually performed by a group of women, though men may join as partners or participants. Each dancer moves with light, graceful footwork while making fluttering hand gestures that resemble a duck's wings. The head tilts, bending knees, and playful turns give the dance a sense of realism, as if a flock of ducks were joyfully moving together. The Itik Itik is often performed to cheerful folk music played in 2/4 time signature, accompanied by native instruments like the bandurria or guitar. The rhythm is upbeat yet smooth, encouraging dancers to move lightly and quickly, just like ducks splashing in shallow water. The melody keeps the energy lively from start to finish. Costumes add color and beauty to the performance. Female dancers usually wear a patadyong or balintiwak dress with a matching pañuelo or shawl, while male dancers wear the barong Tagalog or camisa de chino paired with trousers. These traditional outfits reflect the charm of rural Filipino life, simple, colorful, and full of character. Beyond its playful nature, the Itik Itik represents the Filipino ability to find joy in the simplest things. The dance celebrates both nature and everyday life, turning the ordinary behavior of ducks into something artistic and meaningful. It reminds us that beauty can be found in observation, creativity, and humor. Over time, the Itik Itik has become more than just a folk dance. It has evolved into a cultural symbol of Filipino ingenuity and lightheartedness. Schools, cultural festivals, and even international showcases feature this dance as a joyful expression of national identity. It continues to inspire both young and old dancers across the Philippines. The Itik Itik's charm lies in its universal appeal. Simple yet expressive, humorous yet elegant. Whether performed at fiestas, competitions, or cultural events, it never fails to draw smiles from the audience. It's a reminder that dance, at its heart, is a celebration of life, laughter, and movement. From Kanang's spontaneous improvisation to the grand stages of cultural festivals, the Itik Itik remains one of the most iconic folk dances of the Philippines. It continues to waddle its way into the hearts of audiences everywhere. A timeless dance of grace, joy, and Filipino creativity. If you enjoyed learning about this lively dance, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories celebrating the colorful world of Filipino folk dances and culture.